Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C01 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to pop out the back cover of your device, which you can do so by just prying it off from the bottom right corner. You will see there is a little notch, and just start carefully prying it off. There we go. Once you get into the device, the back of it more precisely, you can then insert your SIM card and also SD card. Though I'm not going to be using an SD card. If you wanted to, you would just place one just to demonstrate this. There we go. You'd place it above this metal piece and slide it to the top one like so. And that's all you need to do. There we go. Now below that, you can actually insert a second SIM card if that is something that you want to do. Anyway, with that being said, once your cards are in place, they should start working right away. So let's unlock the device. Now for me, it won't actually show any reception because the card that I have inserted is, I believe, disabled already, so it has nothing to connect to. But the device still should be detecting it. So we can go into the, where would it be? Connect? No, not in here. It's going to be network and internet. There we go. And here we should have, it's already detecting mobile network, Virgin Mobile. So it is detecting that a SIM card is in there. It's detecting what kind of provider it's from, but that's about it. So anyway, that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.